Most people have the world's most powerful natural soothing agent sitting in their kitchen cabinet right now, collecting dust. But here is the hard truth. If you are just pouring cold olive oil straight from the bottle and rubbing it on your stiff joints, you might as well be using plain water. You are essentially wasting your time and your money. You see, you are missing the one secret switch that actually activates the healing potential of the oil. That switch is heat. I want you to think about this for a second. Think of your skin like dry, hard soil in a garden. If you throw a block of ice on that soil, what happens? Nothing. It just sits on top. It does not penetrate. But if you pour warm water, it soaks instantly down to the roots. That is exactly what we are doing here. When you warm high-quality olive oil to just slightly above body temperature, you change its molecular structure. You lower its thickness. It stops sitting on your skin and starts diving through the layers, bypassing the barrier to deliver relief directly to the inflamed tissues beneath. Before we even touch the first spot, we need to prepare the oil correctly. And please listen to me closely here, because this is where many people get it wrong. Do not use a microwave. Microwaves can destroy the delicate natural compounds we need. Instead, pour a small amount of extra virgin olive oil into a glass jar. Place that jar in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Test it on the inside of your wrist. It should feel like a warm, soothing hug, not a burn. Now that your oil is ready, let's go to the first spot, which is the most common source of misery for anyone over the age of 60. Spot number 1 is the knees. If you dread those first few steps out of bed in the morning, or if your knees feel like rusty hinges that grind and crunch with every movement, this specific technique is for you. The knee is a complex machine, wrapped in ligaments and tendons that get stiff and dry as the years go by. But the pain you feel isn't just old age. It is often inflammation and a lack of lubrication. Here is the correct way to do it, and it is not just slapping oil on the kneecap. Take the warm oil in your cupped hand. Apply it to the entire knee joint, the front, the sides, and crucially, the back of the knee. Please do not ignore the back of the knee. It is a soft, hollow area that acts as a drainage point for the leg because it is packed with lymph nodes. By massaging here, you help stagnant fluids move out. Massage in a circular motion. Do not be aggressive. You are not kneading dough. Be consistent. Imagine you are trying to work the oil into the bone itself. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes on each knee. I want to pause here for just a moment to be real with you. I am sharing these methods because I am a passionate researcher of natural habits, and I have seen them work wonders for people's comfort. However, I am not a doctor. These techniques are designed to support your body's natural ability to heal and to bring you relief, but they do not replace professional medical advice. If you have severe chronic conditions or sharp, unexplained pain, always keep your doctor in the loop. We want you to be safe, not just comfortable. Now, let's get back to the routine. While knee pain is obvious and loud, there is a silent type of distress that affects your digestion and your mood. To treat that, we must move to a spot that seems very unusual to Western thinking, but has been a cornerstone of Eastern healing for 3,000 years. Spot number 2 is the navel. You might be thinking, why on earth would I put oil in my belly button? I know, it sounds like an old wives' tale. I thought the same thing at first. But stay with me, because the logic here is actually quite profound. In ancient traditions, like Ayurveda, this practice is known as the Pechoti method. The navel is not just a scar left over from birth, it is a center point. Behind the navel lies a dense network of pathways. It is a direct gateway where the abdominal wall is thinnest. This spot is not for your bones or your joints. This is for your gut and your deep internal comfort. Many people over 60 suffer from bloating, unexplained abdominal cramping, and a general feeling of heaviness after eating. There was a woman named Martha who tried this. She had this chronic digestive discomfort that made her anxious about eating dinner. She started applying just 3 drops, only 3 drops, of warm olive oil into her navel before sleep. She would lie on her back and gently massage the area around the navel in a clockwise motion. Why clockwise? Because that is the same direction as your digestion moves through your intestines. You are helping things move along naturally. The result for her wasn't instant, like taking a pill. It was subtle. By the 3rd night, she noticed she was sleeping through the night without waking up with cramps. The absorption of the oil and the gentle massage helped calm the tension in her abdomen. If you have dry skin, dry eyes, or constant bloating, this spot acts as a central lubrication point for the body. Just ensure your navel is clean and dry before you start. Now, while the navel settles your stomach, we need to address the tension that you carry like a heavy backpack all day long. This next spot is the command center for your stress levels. Spot number 3 is behind the ears and down the neck. Stress makes pain worse. It is a fact. If you are stressed, your back hurts more, your stiffness flares up, and your patience drops. You cannot separate the mind from the body. That is why spot number 3 is critical. We are targeting the vagus nerve area. This is a major nerve that runs from your brainstem down your neck. It controls your ability to relax. When you are in pain, your body is stuck in fight or flight mode. We need to switch that off. Take your warm olive oil, make sure it is still warm, and apply it behind your earlobes, right in that soft depression behind the jawbone. Then, with long sweeping strokes, massage down the side of the neck towards your collarbone. Do not press hard here. The neck contains delicate arteries. Use the flat of your fingers and just glide. This creates a dual effect. First, the oil helps reduce the local tension in the neck muscles that causes headaches. Second, the warmth and the rhythmic touch signal your brain to lower your heart rate and let go of the day's worry. I want you to try this tonight, especially if you have trouble falling asleep. You might feel a wave of relaxation wash over you, almost like a heavy blanket being lifted off your shoulders. But let's be honest, relaxation is great, but what about that burning, tingling sensation or the coldness in your extremities that keeps you awake? If you suffer from cold feet or poor sensation, the next spot is non-negotiable. Spot number 4 is the soles of the feet. Our feet carry us for decades, yet they receive the least amount of care until they start screaming at us. For seniors, the soles of the feet are often the first place where circulation starts to fail. You might feel numbness or just perpetual coldness that regular socks cannot fix. The skin on the soles of your feet is unique. It has massive pores and no oil glands of its own, making it incredibly thirsty. It acts like a dry sponge. It absorbs whatever you put on it very quickly. Here is the protocol for the feet. This is slightly different. You want to apply the warm olive oil liberally. Do not just dab it on, coat the foot. Then use your knuckles to massage the arch of the foot deeply. The friction creates heat. The oil seals that heat in. This encourages blood flow back to the toes. There was a gentleman named Robert who described his feet as feeling like blocks of wood. He started a nightly ritual, 10 minutes of warm olive oil massage on each foot. Robert didn't perform a miracle overnight, but after a week, he reported feeling the texture of his bed sheets with his toes again, a sensation he hadn't felt in years. However, I need to give you a very serious safety warning here. Please listen. Olive oil makes your feet slippery, dangerously slippery. Do not walk around barefoot on tile or wood floors after doing this. I don't want you to fall. Immediately put on a pair of clean cotton socks. These socks do 2 things. They prevent you from slipping, and they act as an incubator, keeping the oil against your skin all night so it can work its magic while you sleep. Before we reveal the final spot, the one that tackles the most debilitating pain of all, I need to mention something quickly about the quality of your oil. Not all olive oil is created equal. If you are using a cheap blend that has been sitting in a clear plastic bottle in the sun for 6 months, the good stuff is likely gone. You need high-quality, extra virgin olive oil, preferably in a dark glass bottle. It is not about buying the most expensive brand. It is about buying oil that still has life in it. Now, let's move to the center of the pain universe for millions of people. Spot number 5 is the lower back. Whether it is that sharp, shooting sensation or just a dull, constant ache, the lower back is the weak link in the human skeleton. After 60, the discs between your vertebrae become thinner and muscles get tight, trying to protect the spine. Applying oil here requires a special technique I call the heat lock method. Simply rubbing oil on your back is good, but for deep spinal comfort, it is often not enough. You need to drive that oil through the thick muscles of the lumbar region. Here is how you do it. Have your spouse help you, or use a long-handled applicator if you are alone. Apply a generous amount of warm olive oil to the lower spine and the area right above your hips. Massage it in using outward strokes, moving from the spine out towards the hips. Imagine you are pushing the tension out of your body. Now, here is the secret heat lock step. Once the oil is on, take a clean, dry towel and place it over your lower back. Then, place a heating pad set to medium on top of that towel. Do not put the heating pad directly on the oil. Lie there for 20 minutes. The heat from the pad will open up the pores to their maximum width. The towel traps the heat and the oil together. This allows the soothing properties of the olive oil to saturate the area completely. James, a man who could barely stand up straight in the mornings, found that this specific step was the game changer. He described it as the first time in 10 years his back felt quiet. So, what can you expect in the next 24 hours if you do this tonight? You will start your routine about an hour before bed. You warm the oil gently. You massage your knees to quiet the joints. You place a few drops in your navel for internal peace. You soothe the neck to lower your stress. You rub your feet and put on those socks to ground yourself. Finally, you lay on the heating pad for your back. When you wake up tomorrow, I want you to pay attention. Pay attention to that first moment your feet hit the floor. Pay attention to how your knees feel when you stand up. You might notice that the usual morning stiffness, which usually takes an hour to shake off, is significantly less or gone entirely. You might feel a sense of mental clarity because you actually slept deeply without pain waking you up every 2 hours. This isn't magic. It is biology. It is giving your body the raw materials and the assistance it needs to lower inflammation naturally. Do not just listen to this video and forget it. Try it tonight. Your body is waiting for this relief. And if you found this helpful, there is another ancient mixture that is even more powerful for deep bone issues. But that is a story for the next video. Start your oil warming now.